Hello everyone again. My name is Julie and I'm very happy to see you at our webinar about product management. I hope you will have a great time with our speaker. And can I give you a little bit detail about our webinar? We will be together just 1 hour. We will have part of this time for our speaker and for our main topic. Like 10 minutes, about 10 minutes, I will introduce to us our second speaker. It's a executive director from American University in Kyiv. And next part, it will be mine part. I will tell you about EPAM a little bit, and we will have time for questions. Now while we're waiting our attendees, let's talk a little bit. Now I'm in Prague. Now I'm living in the Czech Republic in Prague, but originally I'm from Ukraine. I'm from Kyiv. And if it's possible, if you're okay with this, can you share information about you? Where are you based now? And what is your primary skill or maybe job title? It will be perfect if you share your job title in our chat. It will be interesting for everyone and for me as well. I will be really appreciate this information from your side. Let's wait maybe 1 minute for joining our attendees of webinar. And yes, today we will discuss about product management and especially about role of project management for IT. And I'm very happy to introduce our main speaker. Mariia, can I invite you join us in our webinar? Thank you very much. How are you, Mariia? How is your day?
As always, just busy, but
Okay,
thank you.
I understand. Where are you based? Can you remind me where you're based now?
Yeah, now I'm just in London.
Okay. I hope you have a great weather because now I have in Prague weather like it's like London because it's rainy and very cloudy every day.
Yeah, we're just waiting for summer as well, but now
Yes,
it's
yes,
just a Scottish summer, I would say,
yes,
not
yes.
a
I know in
English
Kyiv we
summer.
have the yes. I know in Kyiv we have the same weather now. Okay, let's move forward. And Maria, background is yours. I will mute my camera and my micro.
Okay, thank you very much, Julia, and good day, everyone. Thank you for joining us today, and I'm excited to share with you a few, because we don't have so much time, so like a few key aspects in product management. This is a field that is not only dynamic and challenging, but also offers immense opportunities for growth and innovation. So let's start. My name is Mariia, and I have been working as a senior product manager at EPAM&AUK. Along with my project work, I also invest my time in self-education and mentoring others. And to start, actually, I would like to have a small discussion with you. Please put your answer into the chat. How do you see what is similar between a business, product, writer, artist, whatever, what they do? So if you have access to the chat, please add your ideas, add your guess. Anyone? They work, okay. Manage themselves, okay. What they do? Product manager, I guess. I'm not sure, because artist, writer, business, it's not about product management only. Create. it's close to Pavel. Tools methodology. No, I would say that writer and artist, it's not about methodology, but tools probably. Creative products. Yep. Yep. This is the most close answer. They create the products, but let's see what exactly they do. Just a second, why I can. Yeah. Okay. The primary aim is value creation. So they create a value. Every business should create some value. Okay. And even writer or artist now they create a value. Okay, good start. Let's go to the next one. Today, let's consider the key frameworks. Okay, because again we don't have enough time. The key frameworks. Key frameworks allow you to apply key product management skills and can significantly guide you what to do and when. Then we will consider who is a product manager. A product manager plays a crucial role in the success of product and requires a certain set of business and technical skills. Product manager might face challenges in their day-to-day work, and the future of product management is promising with increasing demand for skilled product managers. So let's move forward. Okay, there are a few key frameworks that guide product management. The IPMM, or it stands to Association of International Product Marketing and Management. They do their certification as well. So they provide a comprehensive framework that focuses on the entire product lifecycle. The 280 groups framework is another resource that emphasize on core competencies and skills required for effective product management. And lastly, the ISPMA, or International Software Product Management Association. They offers a framework that is specifically tailored for software product manager. So you can see these three main or key famous frameworks, whatever. So you can use them, you can learn about them, then you can understand what exactly product management stands for. Okay, so this is overview, but all of them require an understanding of the product life cycle. It's about the ideation, development, and commercialization of your product. So when you create your product, okay, then you need to sell it. And commercialization includes introduction. When you introduce your product to the first customers, then you need to grow this product. Then you need to keep product to be mature as long as it's possible. And then, as always, it is a decline stage and withdraw your product. So product, they have its life cycle, and you need to be aware and understand how to deal with this. There are plenty of definition of the product management role, and in reality, the responsibilities vary depend on the company or product stage. But product manager is responsible for guiding the success of a product and leading the cross-functional teams. There is my vision. My vision that product manager is explore, do a lot of researches, a scientist, do experiments, analysis, make sure that it is data-driven decisions and so on. A visionary, align people around to create a new world. So because you need to see how it should be in future. So your vision and future, it's up to you. So you can create this future. And a leader who can empower team and achieve their goals. So this is like my vision again, how I can see the product manager. And probably if you are interested in this, you can find your specific area Okay, if you like some researches, if you like some experiments, or just to be a leader, it's up to you. You can do this. So, challenges. Product management is not without its challenges. This can range from aligning the vision of various stakeholders, managing constraints, staying ahead of market trends, or even customer needs. So, ideal world is when you have empowered culture inside your organization and you can take an ownership for the entire product lifecycle. And you know what does it mean, product lifecycle? We talk about this. So this is ideal world, okay? But the real world is a bit different. You might be busy and overwhelmed with meetings, communications, and building something what is not expected to be built by your end users, your customers, and so on. So this is life, and we always can be in this situation. Okay, but the future exists, and the future holds immense opportunities for product management and product managers. Rapid advancement in technology and increasing focus on customer-centric products leads to demand for skilled product managers and product maturity in the organization. So there is a big aim to develop really product mature organization or product team inside your organization. So that's why you can find the way how to increase product maturity within your organization. But to do so, you need to understand how to do this. And you need to understand how to assess your current situation, your current organization, and what could be recommended. For opportunity next, like what future? The role of product manager is evolving to include areas like data analysis, user experience, design, growth hacking, etc. Okay, so you can do a lot of stuff, and it depends on your product, it depends on your organization, it depends on the team composition as well. The shift is to help business grow, so you don't just work on a feature, adding some new feature or developing something else, or I don't know, like improve this feature, but grow business, creating a value, yeah, adding AI and data power, and developing a product mindset. All that will help you to create truly successful and technology empowered products, because you can copy another product, you can copy another features from your competitors, but to survive, to create something really successful, yeah, you need to understand the technology. So that's why product manager requires certain skills, certain set of skills, and product management require really skilled product managers. So this is all from my side for now. Thank you very much. Julia?
Hello, hello. Thank you very much, Maria, for your presentation. And now I want to introduce new speaker. Um, Evgeny, can you join us? Evgeny is the Executive Director of Lifelong Learning Program for American University in Kyiv. Evgeny, and can you give me 1 second? Now I'm noticed we have a question. We have the question in the chat, and maybe Maria, you can join back to our chat and give answer to this question. Which framework do you use in EPAM? Is it possible to give answer now, or maybe we can do it later in during the Q&A session?
Actually, I'm trying to connect and to write, but okay, just probably at the end of the session.
Okay, let's left it for the end of the session. And now, Evgeny, thank you very much for waiting. And now, background is yours. And Evgeny will give to us more details about university, American University in Kyiv, because this our webinar is like a part of our campaign for marketing, for product management program with American University in Kyiv.
Okay, thank you, Julia. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
having me here today. You can see me, you can hear me, and yes, we can see the presentation. All right, we're here to talk about the product management course, which is offered jointly by the two companies that cooperate. One is EPAM and another is American University Kyiv. Those of you who are in IT industry, you definitely know what EPAM is because it's one of the largest company worldwide offering software solutions widely. I'm here to tell a little bit about American University Kyiv, who we are, what we do, and why the diploma, which you might receive after the end of this course, is making value to you. Can I? Yes, I can. Well, first of all, we are American University Kyiv, and as our name says, we are the American University, and we are based in Kyiv. That's where I am right now. I'm at our campus. American education is recognized to be the best education in the world, higher education. And it's not just a pure statement, it's a obvious ranking. If you take any ranking of the universities globally, worldwide, you will see the majority, the biggest part of the universities come from the United States. We have opened in Ukraine in February 2022, just 2.5 weeks before the full-scale war started. We had the official kickoff. I personally joined UK in December 2021. And the war did not stop us from entering Ukrainian market. It has just delayed some of the things and it has changed the way we were planning, but still. Being an American university in Ukraine, we are offering American educational standards. This is, first of all, student-centric education, and this is practice-centric education. We are offering instruction in English language. All our courses are delivered in English. We are offering international faculty. We have best Ukrainian and international speakers working for us. We have guest lecturer. We have adjunct professors. We have special speakers, including Nobel Prize laureates. We have highest leadership representatives from the United States and from across the globe. We have opened our first year in fully online mode. And back in May 2023, just a year ago, we have opened our campus, a beautiful campus located in Kyiv. And those of you who live in Kyiv, you definitely know this building. We have finished our second year of operation with 350 students enrolled. We offer 6 programs for bachelor's and 3 programs for master's. I will not be stopping too much on the numbers or on details. This presentation will be emailed to you after the webinar, so you will have a chance to read more details about the numbers. What is important to say? If you take a look at our logo, it says American University Kyiv, and then it says powered by Arizona State University. What that means? It means that we have a 25 years licensing agreement with ASU for academic contact and for other types of cooperation, which means we can take any of the programs that belong to Arizona State University repository, and we can teach and deliver them to Ukrainian students here in Ukraine. It also gives us opportunity to offer dual degree, to offer exchange programs. And Arizona State University, for your information, it's one of the top 50, I think, universities globally. And what is more important, it has been ranked #1 university in the United States for innovation, ahead of Harvard, MIT, Stanford, Pennsylvania State University. And it's been ranked #1 most innovative university for 6 years in a row. It has a lot of international students. It has great employability rate. As I said, our students that apply to AUK have the opportunity to get dual diploma, which means you can get Ukrainian diploma recognized by the Ministry of Education and Science, and you can also get an American diploma fully recognized globally worldwide. To get American diploma, you can go and study in ASU, and you can study either online or by physically going to ASU campus. And we are proud to say that first 32 students have graduated from Arizona State University just 1 month ago. These students who started their master's program back in September 2022 in Kyiv, and they have finished their study in the second semester of 2024. And we're proud to say these 32 students were participating in a global graduation ceremony. We have, as a university, we have 12 founding partners, 6 majors and another 14, sorry, and 8 minor. But EPAM is one of our major investors and major partners, and this cooperation is going far beyond only financial participation. Our funding partners and international partners offer great opportunities, including internships. You know, the students that study for master's or for bachelor's degree, when they go so-called internship or practica, as they call it in Ukraine, they go to one of these companies and they can go get this experience in Ukraine or beyond. Some of the companies like 7-Eleven, for example, there is a logo here, they offer not only paid internship, but they offer things like travel package, accommodation package, etc. Those of you who are in Kyiv definitely know what this building is. This is famous Kyiv Riverport, an iconic building located in Poštova Square, and this building has been staying abandoned for approximately the last 10 years. And we are, again, proud to say that this building was taken to rent by AUK, and we invested into renovation. And right now, our university is located in this building as its campus. The building has 6 floors. 2 of the floors are fully renovated and they're operating. This is what it looks like from inside. These are not rendering, these are real photos of building from inside. And 2 of the floors are operating right now, and another 4 floors are under construction. When all of the building is fully operating, the capacity will be 2,000 students studying in there. And if you are in Poštova Square, you're welcome to visit. If you take a look at the building, in its left wing, there is a cafeteria, which serves great coffee and great snacks. You are welcome to walk in, take a coffee, and you may ask for the campus tour, and one of the employees who is on campus at the time can give you a tour around the building. So you will be pleasantly impressed, we hope. We have active student life. We have American way of living this student life, including semi-annual or quarterly balls, including charity activities, including various guest speaker and both online and offline. So you can go to our website, you can join our community, and you can attend many of these events free of charge. They open for the open community. Yeah, this is important from our first graduation. And at the moment, we have opened 2 schools in Ukrainian. They call it fakultet. One is the School of Management, and another is School of Digital Technologies. And you see the School of Digital Technologies is developed jointly with the EPAM. As I said a few minutes ago, we have 6 specializations for bachelors and 3 for masters at the moment. And you can read about them and enroll if you are interested in there. Besides bachelor's and master's education, we have what is called lifelong learning. And these are short-term programs which may last from 1 day to several weeks or several months. And this is the list of programs which we have been offering in 2022-23, or we are offering right now. And you see that the product management is one of the courses that we are offering to our students in this 2024. Actually, we had a pilot project for IT product management last year, the course was of the great success, and together with EPAM, we did the evaluation, and we both agreed that we have to repeat and have to do it as a regular basis course. What is important also when you go and study, when you take one of these courses, you earn some credits. There is a credit system in American education. And these credits that you earn, you might use them further if you decide to pursue your further education. If you decide, for example, to enroll to a master's degree, you will bring the diploma, you'll bring the certificate, and these credits will be transferred to you, which means you will have to, this course will be already considered as complete for you. And this will allow you to save some money and time studying further in your education. That is briefly it from my side. I was, as I said, I was to present the university with a few minutes. If you have any questions about university, about the course, I, Yulia, and Mariia are here to respond, and I'll be more than happy to. Yulia?
Thank you very much, Evgeny. And now is my part of our webinar. And can I ask my colleagues about sharing my presentation? Yes. And I want to explain a little bit about EPAM, but I guess all people from Ukraine, from IT, know about EPAM, and maybe I just want to highlight some points. And yes, we will have look guys, we will have time for Q&A session in the end of our webinar, and we will give answer for all your questions. And now I can see all your questions in our group chat, but just can we have time for my part, and we will be back for questions and give you answer about EPAM. And can I? Yes, I can change slide. EPAM is a public company. It's a huge public company, and EPAM has many offices around the world. You know, I told to you now I'm based in the Czech Republic, Mariia in London. All of this is offices of EPAM. We have offices in European countries, in the USA, in India, in Vietnam, Colombia, etc. And EPAM is a service company. Of course, first of all, EPAM supply service solution for different domain, for different industrials like financial, business, retail, travel. And many difference. And you can ask me how EPAM can offer educational program, especially for product management, if EPAM is a service company. Yes, it's true, but in the same time, EPAM has huge experience and very solid knowledge of educational, because it's approach of EPAM, like people can join EPAM with junior title, and during the career path, people are growing and studying different topic and different programs inside EPAM, like an employee, especially like me, like an employee. Now, by the way, now my current job title is marketing manager, but in the same time I can learn product management, project management, like internal program for EPAM. In the same time, EPAM offers this program for external market, like from people not from EPAM, from people from different company, and you can join EPAM like a student and have the same access to the program and learn this program, like this product management with American University in Kyiv. The main differentiator of EPAM I can highlight is a practical oriented approach, because all our speakers are employees from EPAM, like Mariia. Mariia is a subject matter expert for product management program with American University, and all guides who are our speakers, it's engineers, senior engineers, director from EPAM. And we use our learning platform. It's online platform with a theoretical model, quiz task for um, practical knowledge. All of this you will have if you join our program. Let's me and key points about EPAM is like more than 20 years experience of educational program plus 25 plus countries around of the world. We we have combined program like collaboration work with university and around the world, like American University in Kyiv, University of Georgia in Tbilisi, AGH University in Krakow in Poland. Now I can't remember like it's not just this one, but it's first university what I can say now, and many trainers, many people who was graduated and more than 150 learning program. About our current program, product management, if it's interesting for you, is 100% online format, is combined like blended format with self-study and learning with experts, online session with experts, community with students, and mm, uh, and 3 models, 13 weeks, and certificate. Can I? That yes, I will be back with to previous slide about certificate, because I can see this question in our group chat. This program, product management, is not bachelor's degree or master's degree, because it's just 3 models, it's just 13 weeks. It's a lifelong learning program. It's like postgraduate study, if I can call this like this program. It's not degree, it's program for people who want to improve knowledge and have a deeply understanding about product management. And in the end of this program, you will have certificate from EPAM and from American University as well. It's like two double certificate, and you can share this certificate in LinkedIn, and this certificate will include information about course, hours, link to the syllabi, and your name, like your data. Previous slide, can I be back? Yeah, this course has requirements. Our program in English level, 100% at all, and you should have B plus English level at least. Because all our materials in English, all our theoretical model, you will speak in English during this course, and our teacher, our subject matter expert, uses English like a main language for the course. Like leadership skills, it will be better if you have some experience in product management. It will be easier for you to understand this course. But this course can be very good for switchers as well. If you now, for instance, English teacher with good English level, or I don't know, maybe marketing manager like me, it's possible to switch. It's possible to learn product management during this course, and I guess it should be very difficult. It should be not so tough. I guess it should be possible. Uh, and my next slide is about program. Yes, it's finished. Now we come back to our questions. And next point is we will very happy to invite you join our program, and we will share with us promo code for all participants of this webinar. We will send a promo code with 10% discount for joining this program, and you can see now the link of our of landing page with description of this course in the group chat, and we will share promo code as well, and um, uh, mm, we will send email to you with the presentation, with this video, and with promo code as well. Now you can stay with us, and you will have this promo code in the email, and you will copy it if you need. And let's be back to our question about framework. Yes, we had about benefits, about hiring. Look, what happened now with hiring. Um, Now we supply just educational program. We don't offer hiring option, but of course it's possible. Like a student, you will be added to our database, and if for instance we will have demand for product management and you will be in our base, you will receive email with vacancies, and you can join. And if I know, you can ask about recommendation during this course. It's not my part because I'm product manager. I'm not a subject matter expert, but I guess it should be possible to ask about recommendation, and you will have a theoretical part, practical part, and recommendation from EPAM. But of course, now this course is without guarantee of hiring. We just can give you advice or can give you recommendation. I just want you to understand me, and I mean understand the point of this course. It's not about hiring, it's about education. And diploma, yes, I already answered for this question. It was certificate. And about any companies
Julia,
in Europe, I don't.
if you allow, I can give
Yes,
more
yes,
information
please, please.
about the certificate. I can show you what it looks like. First of
Yes,
all,
great.
once you complete the program, you get the certificate of completion. There was a comment from Alexander in chat about this is I was saying diploma. The right word is certificate. So thank you, Alexander, for correcting me. It's gonna look like this. It's going to look like this, and it has your name on it. It has the number of program, and it has unique numbering. And beside the certificate, there is also an annex to certificate, another document, and it looks like this. You can see it right now on your screen. It says your name. It says details. It's already bilingual. It's in Ukrainian and in English because it has to be recognized by Ministry of Science and Education in Ukraine. And it has the all details. It has number of academic hours. It has your score. It has the list of program modules, and it has this abbreviation ECTS, 6 credits. These are credits which will be transferred and counted to your program if you decide to go to and study in AUKs or in Arizona State University, for example. These credits will be recognized. Which means, for example, to get a master's degree, you have to earn 90 credits, 90. You come, you show the certificate, you already have 6, so you have 84 to go, which means you have to take less classes and spend less time and pay less. So this is how it works. And there was one more question in chat about AUK, the question from Pavlo about any campuses in Europe. No, we do not have any campuses in Europe at the moment. We are American University in Kyiv, partnered with Arizona State University. We are part of Sintana Educational Consortium, which is a group of University United globally, worldwide, from Central South America to Far East, and including European countries. But this is more about academic exchange, maybe sharing the experience. It's not about student opportunities. This is a bit different.
Okay, thank you very
Hope I
much.
did respond.
Thank you, thank you. And Maria, do you want to add something for? our
Yeah, just connect about the recommendations. So actually, I would say that nothing impossible, and guys, just keep going. Uh, when we spot some, I would say, brilliant, talented people, we have resources in EPAM where we can recommend. We can also recommend you through the LinkedIn or something like that, so we can add any feedback, because you will be working with different people, different trainers, and they all can do some feedback for you. And so let's see in future.
Okay, thank you very much, Maria. Maybe do you want maybe guys you have more question to us and don't be shy to type this question to our group chat if you have. Um, if it's not, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your joining, and I will be very happy to see you as our students in the future. And we will send all information to your email. And have a great evening and good week. Also, such a one more question. Also, such a question in connection with mobilization. It's, it's a very difficult question. What do you mean? Do you mean how it will be?
The probably question is related whether the study in this course
Like a
is
postpone.
allowing you бронювання від
Mhm, mhm.
мобілізації. The answer is no, and this is changing legislation to get protection from being mobilized. Your study should be of higher level than in previous. So, for example, if you have only bachelor's diploma, if you go study for masters, then you will be protected. If you already have masters and apply for second masters, then not. Then you have to go to aspirantura and pursue higher degree. This is legislatory requirement which was designed to
Yeah,
every government. So.
they add context to this question. So it is about the possibilities to study later if something.
The question, if you get a possibility to complete, for our programs for masters and bachelors, so we do have this opportunity for lifelong learning programs. Well, we never had this, and our programs are too short to talk about this. Like 3 months is the longest. But from my experience, we did have one person from Ukrainian Armed Forces studying in the Global Leadership Program. He did not have a chance to complete later. He had permission from his teacher to submit his works and his final project later on, beyond the deadline, and so extended submission without penalties. And he finally received his diploma, but not in November, not in December as everybody, but I think in end of January or February or something. So these are all case by case manageable things. So probably.
Evgeny, can I ask as well, if I understand correct, if you don't have a master's degree and you apply for master's degree, is guarantee for you book for this time, and you will not mobilization?
That's what our Ukrainian legislation says, that you can be protected from mobilization if you are a student and if you are pursuing a degree which is higher than you already have. So if you already have master and you go to study for master's degree,
I understand.
then you don't have this withdrawal.
If you have just a bachelor's, it's
If
possible
you have
to join.
yeah, it is,
Okay,
and you
thank you
apply
very
for
much.
masters. Yeah,
Yes,
but this is different.
it's just for me it's important as well because I have relatives in Ukraine. Okay, and next question is questions to Maria. Maria, what are the best ways to be hired for a product management position? Do you have some tips?
I read this question, so Pavel,
Yes.
thank you very much for such interesting. But probably nothing new I can say here. So just learn, practice, and be bold. I would say be sharp. Go to learn about this position. Figure out what exactly they are expecting to have. because sometimes it is about growth, product management. Sometimes it is mostly about the data products or something like that. So, okay. So that's why I just learn and go and be bold, be brave, and start doing this for hiring.
Yes, and we have more
And see you
question.
next
One more
one.
question.
Mhm.
What is the skills, courses, or knowledge would you prioritize? I am a regular marketer now.
Oh, it is super.
Again,
Yeah,
course
if you
is
have
very
such a
good.
background, it's very good because
Yes.
mostly of this, so you know that product management it's intersection between different, I would say, subjects, knowledge, backgrounds, and so on. So market as well, because you need to know about the market. But based on this, you have this. Okay, so the first of all, you need to understand what does it mean product itself. Then you need to understand the technology around this product, because when you hire it for building some product, you need to be expert, you need to lead your team. And for example, if you're creating martech platform, okay, so you have a background as a marketer, but you need to understand the technology as well, or you need to have someone in your team who will be helpful in this, like solution architect or technical designer. So that's why you need to understand how actually product development process in IT, if you're working for IT product management, okay. Then you need to understand how to distinguish the priority for your features for your development, because it's always about. Nevertheless, it's not a project management, but you need to think about the money. You need to think about the time frame and so on. So, and to be, for example, first on the market, or you have some another deadline. So you need to decide how to build value, how to create value in such constraints like money and time as well. So prioritization skills, understanding technology, understanding and having a good communication skills, because you need to have a buy-in from the different stakeholders. Yeah, probably this is enough for the initial, but definitely you need to understand how to do ideation for product and how to build good products. Yeah, this is all about this. Probably I can answer later more bullet list, but now it's looks like this.
Yes, Maria, thank you very much. Guys, do you have more questions or we can finish for now?
It seems to be nothing.
Yes, yes, it's
But
good.
be free to ask questions after
Yes, yes,
the
if you have.
session as well.
Mhm.
Yeah. So we will answer.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much again. Have a great evening. We will finish our speech for today. Bye bye.
Yeah. It's not
Thank
the
you,
last
everyone. Thank
speech
you.
for
Yeah,
today.
Thank
thank
Yeah.
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye. Bye.
Right. Bye.